You will reach the popularity of Mr. Beast, but you will not see your family again. You buy all the clothes in the world, but you will be blind for a day. You'll become a famous chef, but you can only cook dishes you've never tasted before. You will earn $1 million every year, but your sense of hearing will disappear for 6 months. You become rich, famous, and handsome, but you have to share the same towel with the second person that pops up when you subscribe. Become Spider-Man, but buy something from the dark web. Do it with Nicki Minaj, but you never see your family.